Ooh, big poppin'. Yes. Shit, not like that. Oh. I don't have a plug-in. My mattress is too tight. Oh. Got it. Fuck. Oh. Alright. Okay. Stand straight, soldier. Damn right. Bring it closer. Who's banging up there? This is terrible. This is a terrible setup. I don't want to live here anymore. Perfect. Why am I so good at drawing cocks? This is messed up. I don't think I should do this. This marker in the trash. Oh, I think I threw up a little. Maybe the other side will work. I missed the trash. Oh my god, this isn't working. Wait, I need this box. In the trash. This isn't a marker. Perfect. Welcome to my channel. Ooh. At least these markers work. That's a knife. Boom. Boom. It's for the good cards, am I right? Right? Am I right? No. Hang on. I have to be right behind the camera though. This is shitty. How does Fox Fofo do this? Just I got this little cock ring. Alright, so we got this. You're kidding me. This goddamn light. Oh, I'm gonna kill myself. So we have one Guardians Arise. Another Steam Siege. Another Steam Siege. Let's see if I actually get anything good. Possibly a weighted Evolutions pack. I'm gonna end it all. Fates collide, Fates collide, Fates collide, Fates collide, and a Fates collide. And then I also got this. Great. Wow, that zooms in all the way? That's great. Alright, so let me just... A booster... It's not even a booster box. It's a Raichu GX box. I'll advertise it on the side right here. But basically, it's that box. Oh. I think I puked. Alright, so let's get down to business here. We got... What should we open? I got most of the... We'll save... No, we'll open the oh yeah, these ones, the Fates Collider possibly weighted too. The boxes are so... Alright, so we're just gonna open, and right off the bat, an amazing card, as you can see. I got garbage. 1, 2, 3, I believe. I don't care. It's evolutions. I forgot. There's all garbage in here. Voltorb, Charmander, Diglett, Gustly, Reverse Holo, Magnemite, and Electrode. Great. Garbage.
You want to smash?
Magnum Dong. Oh. Alright, so we got garbage. I don't have that one. Good. Might not have that one. Probably don't. Reverse Holo Drowsy and a Mewtwo. Trash. And why I'm not showing the code cards is because I'm poor and I need them for online. Balls. And we're gonna open these garbage ones here. Garbage. Diglett. I have a million Digletts like that. Oh, and I just pulled off 2. Great. The disgusting pigeon. Reverse Holo and Kaboot. Cox. Perfect. We got a gold Charizard. Ooh, we got a nice little Persian right off the bat here. Perfect Persian. Yeah. Garbage again. The most hated Pokemon, we have Jinx, Natu, Larvitar, which I actually got that. And then Persian, Ekans, we got Vulpix, Sfeel. Great. Another Charizard pack opening here. These Ziploc bags weren't so freaking hard to open. Yeah, garbage again. Okay, so I'm pretty sure these are weighted packs. I just bought them at a collection store. They were sitting in a box, so maybe people just took them all. Garbage. Ekans again. Vulpix. Garbage. Wait a minute. Alright. So we got this thing. Perfect. Just gonna slide that in there. I'll just bend it in half. That'd be perfect. How about we get some AutoZone on this cunt? Well, let's move on to the next one. Glad I got that Charizard EX. Garbage. Well, this will help with my collection. I'm sorting out cards anyways. And Reverse Holo Rukio and a Snorlax. And we got one last Fate Glide. Alright, so Kangaskhan, Jinx. I just threw another card down. This was the other card, that green one. It's a Viper, I believe. Yeah. Ekans. Did I throw a second one down again? I can't tell. There's so many cards. There we go. Pupitar, Vulpix, definitely a Jinx. Whismur. This is the Reverse Holo. I'm getting lazy. And ooh, a GX of what is that? Voltorb, the Bug type Pokemon. Sweet. That's nice. It's not full art, but still pretty nice. I hate how the cards are like this though. That's not fun. Put them in there. Perfect. Shove my thumb in there, and then just usually go like that. Front page. What? Yeah. Lantern, Uglo, Seedot, Drifloon, Apame, Pomix, Sodium Chloride, Reverse of the Balloon, and a Holo of the Deer. Sweet. I'm glad my light isn't even working right here. So yeah. Top part. Another Balloon Bug. Farfetch'd. Checkings. Candy Cane. Pokemon. Yeah. Reverse Holo of Porcupine. And we got a hollow, I'm guessing that's onyx, something like that. Fantastic shining legends. Show my pale skin. Garbage. Oh, I gotta sort out the sets, man. Perfect. Kinkai, Diraxos, gross. What is that on his stomach? Gross. His terbies. Cool. Is it? Wait a minute. What an ass. Reverse hollow Bidoof. And we got a. Is that a GX? We got a GX Turtonator! I have no idea what these Pokemon are. I am so used to the fossil and shadowless set. I have no idea what half of it is besides that old Mewtwo from the evolution set. This Pokemon looks retarded. Ew. Special needs. LD for loose change. Stick a thumb in there, turn, pull, and I hit my lamp. Oh, whoops. It's like the lamp from Monsters, Inc. Oh, I'm gonna kill my parents. Whoa, big buff man there. A Mankey. That's nice. It's a nice Mankey. Alright, so let's keep going. We got Igloon, Ice Cream Cone again, Ice Cream Cone, Panda, Candlelit, and then a Reverse Hollow, Onyx, and then another GX from the Sun and Moon. Another GX! You got some titties on it, eh? I can't tell. I can't see that far. Yeah, some tits! On Amazon, you can just buy cheap shit and you get a ton of good stuff. Alright, I'm gonna take a little break here. I'm gonna reorganize and I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. The coin fell down, as you can't see. Well, let's get to it. I'll open it off camera. Just give me a minute. Oh, look at all the goodies. Look at all the shiny goodies. What if I turn this light off? Hey guys, I'm gonna open my pack here.
Hey guys, Vandelex here. We're gonna go with the
Actually, the Hollow Pikachu. Sick. And this is the promo card. Yeah, that's a promo card. It looking sexy though. Oh yeah, look at how good it looks. Looking crisp. Feels nice. Ooh, feels good. Quality card. Shouldn't have flicked it. Lost value now. I need to slip this in a sleeve. And we slip it in the sleeve. Alright, so we got the coin here. Look at this coin. Look at the shine on it. Oh, I love this coin so much. Oh, this coin's great. That's why I bought this box. It's basically for the coin. Now, where's my cock ring? Like that. And perfect. We got the big card. Feels really nice. Looks really good. And as you can tell, fucking camera, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill myself. In there, they're meant for magazines, bigger magazines, but I'm just gonna fold this in half and have it hug it nicely. I'll fold it behind it, of course, so you can see it looks nice, but basically, yeah, it's way too short. And now we got the packs. We got one Mewtwo shiny pack, Executor. We got another Dragonite, and so let's get into these packs. Like I said previously, I don't know much about Shining Legends. I only know much about Sun and Moon packs and Crystal Guardians. But yeah, stuff like that. And we got a little boy. Get out of town. Okay. Well, I just watched some memes on YouTube and we're good now. A boy. We got a boy. So there's... Okay. Boy. Alright, let's get this going. Let's actually be professional. Professional. Hey, I got the hollow version of this. Hopefully it's not the same card number. Alright, so we got reverse hollow, Torkoal, and we got a wait, oh, that's the energy. Okay, so we got a hollow. Don't tell me that's the donkey. My little so we got a hollow. That's good. Venusaur, that's pretty good. We got a switch. Voltorb. We got Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, reverse hollow Pectoral, and ooh, a hollow. Looks like the emo version of Lucario. A damn needle. Crafty Boy, Great Ball, Purplein, Croconog, Pikachu, Ekans, Zubat, reverse hollow of Cunt, Visions Electronics, and garbage. I think this is a good card. I'm gonna just slide it in here because it has a lot of shiny parts on it. Yeah, it's shiny. It's quite shiny. That's weird. Yeah, that's decent. Oh, we got one more pack. Look at that. Alright, sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody know I'm talking about everything. We got a switch. Halibu, Golem, Voltorb, Bruish, Litten, Harvestine. Man, I'm not even holding it right. Ooh, sweet. So I got the regular, I got the reverse hollow, and I got the hollow of now this Pikachu. And oh, it's a hollow. I thought it was a regular card for a second. So it's a hollow Marshmallow. Sweet. Let me just go through. So we got the regular thing. We got the Pikachu one too. This goddamn light. We got the garbage Mewtwo. We got the Charizard. What is it? Break? Yeah. Okay. We got Onyx right here, reverse Onyx, as you could tell. And then we got, I think that's an Eevee or something like that. And then we got, ooh yeah, Torkoal or something like that. That one there. And I just found out, surprise bonus clip, we got another pack. Alright, well I didn't know there was another pack, so I'm just gonna zoom this in. Oof, getting wet in here. Golurk, Energy Retrieval, Spirit Bomb from Goku, Plusle and Minusle, Skunkfish, Plusle and Minusle, Garbo. Okay, here we go. We got some good stuff. Oh, the boy. And then we got Hoop the Whoop. Oh, that's the reverse hollow. I can tell by the shine. Oh, we got another Mewtwo. Oh, this one looks better. This one actually looks like it's worth money. So we got 2 Mewtwo's in that one box, which was awesome. Power! Alright, so now we got them all in sleeves. We got the boys in here. As you can tell, they're quality color. Looking good, looking sexy, looking Mexican Mexi fries. And yeah, that's everything we got.